Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make interactive animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now we'll make a div, lots of divs actually. Yikes, lots of divs. Next is to style the divs. I shall write div. I'll set the background color to crimson. Reload. And then I'll set the width to 100 pixels, height to 100 pixels. And then I'll make it circle by setting the border radius to 100%. Hooray, I guess. Now I'll set the body's display to flex. I'll set the flex direction to column. So that's now. You can see it's unchanged, but now I can justify content space between. It's going to space between everything. I'll set the height to 100 SVH. There we go. Spaced between. Now I'll write document on mouse move. Anim target div. And now it should work. It doesn't. Of course I forgot. AnimeJs is a separate library, which means you have to install it separately. So I'll open the official AnimeJs website, go to download version this, and then I can download it by going to code, download zip. Now once you download the zip file, you can extract it. Now you go to code and download zip. So once you download the zip file, you can extract it. And you see this anim master. Then I can go to lib, go to anim.main.js, copy it from here. Then I will go to where I put my file, which is documents. This is getting really big. VID. And then I'll paste it inside. I don't need you anymore. This means that we can link our file. You can link it to anim.main.js. Now we can use the library without any errors. I will set the translate x to, I don't know, e.suge $ e.client x pixels. No, on mouse. Oh, I forgot. I set it to on mouse move, not on mouse down. Now I want to do something. I can set the delay to anim.stagger, which is going to stagger 100. Now it's going to be staggered. I think it's better to be on mouse down. So now I can write from center which is going to make it to be from the center. Now what I really want is that depending on where the mouse position is, a different ball is going to be, well, staggered. You'll see what I mean. We can actually use index to check which index it should be. So index 1 means the first element, while index 2 means the second element, etc, etc. Index 5 means the fifth element, etc, etc. So anyways, I'm going to write from 5. Who's going to start it from the 5th or the 6th element. From 1 we'll start it from the 2nd element, etc, etc. Now what we want it to be, so that depending on the where the mouse is, it's going to be different. So now I'll give a separate ID to each div. Anyways, so now each div will have a separate ID. What I'm going to do is that I'll write QA is equal to document.query selector all div. So now for int I is no, it's not C++. I is less than QA dot length I plus plus. I want it to be so that if the mouse is like here, then it's going to set it to 1. If it's here, it'll set it to 2, etc, etc. So now how do I do that? What I'll do is that I'll check the mouse position. I'm going to make a rectangle which spans the entire width of the screen around here, and I'll see if the mouse is in here, in this range, if you want to call it that. If then and I'll make a new variable called t is equal to 0. If then e.client y is greater than qa get bounding client rect dot y plus qa dot get bounding client rect dot height, then set qa to t, then set t to I minus 1. This should work. Oh, it doesn't. Let's go. Whoops, this is going to be qa bracket I, not just qa. You should do from the first, now from the second, now from the third, now from the fourth, and the fifth. It doesn't seem to be working. If then qa is greater than the y position, and also e.client y is less than qai dot get bounding client rect dot y plus this dot height. Then now work. Then work. Up. I haven't set this to T yet. Now let's see if it works. Should work. Should work. Should work. Oops. This I'm just going to change this to I, not I minus 1. It works. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.